Elder Scrolls Online is a massively multiplayer online role-playing game that immerses players in a vast virtual world. However, players occasionally encounter error code 307, which results in being booted from the server. This frustrating error disrupts the gameplay experience, forcing players to disconnect from the game unexpectedly. The error can stem from various factors, including server congestion, network issues, or even temporary maintenance. To mitigate this problem, players can try troubleshooting steps such as restarting their routers, checking the game updates, or connecting to a different server. By following these steps, player can potentially overcome the ESO error code 307 and continue their adventure in Tamriel without interruptions. But the problem is that these troubleshooting steps didn't work for all. Many users are frustrated with ESO error code 307 booted from server issue. If you search, you'll find so many posts regarding this on Reddit. One of the users posted,
"Hey. Today my boyfriend and I encountered a weird error message. It said error message 307, booted from server. It happened to him first, then me. After a while it let him back in but keeps doing it over and over again. Is anyone else having these issues?"
I know you are looking for fixes that works 100%. It is another side of this intro. This fix was given by a Reddit user and he guarantees that it works 100%. And this worked for me also. So if you really want to get rid of this issue, you can try it too.
I checked some clickbait advice on how to fix it and found it to be wonky, as it alluded to the add-ons folder in my computer, then users, followed by me, then documents, after that ESO, then live, and finally add-ons. I found it strange advice because I use no add-ons. But you can do crazy stuff with Python hacks and whatnot. So I tried deleting the add-ons folder and then creating a new folder and just renaming it add-ons. This works 100% of the time in getting me back in the game. Make sure you exit Steam in the game before doing this. The error always happens to me when I'm near the alchemy workshop in Daggerfall and it's crowded. It's probably when the hack first occurred. They probably make some traceroute bot on everyone they managed to ping, and it's tied to some resource in the game they extracted somehow. I don't know how or why recreating the add-ons folder works, but if you just move it to recycle or don't exit Steam before deleting or remaking, you are still boot locked. As soon as you delete it and create a new add-ons, you are good to go. So, there must be some exploit bug they are using to hack. For me, it started happening after I unlocked free Imperial City content through the Crown Store. I also looked up stuff online on Herbs and Elder Scrolls Online Alchemy right before that.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.